In a world where there's only one food bowl and every inch of the couch is sacred territory, two warriors rise. One, fast as a laser's shadow. The other, silent, but dangerously fluffy. Their claws are weapons, their stare a challenge. And when the room falls silent, the battle for the windowsill begins. Meow. And may the fluffiest one win. Ah, the thrill of the hunt. There's nothing quite like it. Every movement, every breath, perfectly orchestrated. People see a cute kitty, right? They have no